Oh man, it feels good to be back in here. Hopefully the audio is good. When I tried to record this winter with the go-kart a couple weeks ago, it did not work well. So it is February 8th and it's 56 degrees here in Michigan. So I gotta go to the store. We're going on a ride, baby. Oh, well, that's not good. My gloves got a little bit of a hole. I need new gloves. Typical trend around here. Gloves. Safety. Alright. Let's get it. First ride of the year, man. Nice and early into the actual year. It's fogged up in here. I can't see shit. Bike's been warming up for about like 15-20 minutes, so we should be good to go. Yay. Oh, it feels good to ride. My grandpa gave me a leather Harley vest for Christmas, so I'm rocking that over the coat. Should keep me slightly more warm and protected if I have to slide. I don't like where you don't have no stop signal, lady. She's just letting them off the bus. No stop signal at all. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah. Oh, it feels smooth. Feels good. Been working on the mini bike engine. The go-kart it's a work in progress. I mean, I've had a few shorts on it over the last 2 weeks, and I did drop one video on it. Poor first turn, but hey, gotta get back into it. Gotta feel it out. I need to work on my positioning when I'm approaching turns. I feel like I need to work on my body positioning in turns, and I don't really know what else. Kind of still am undecided on what to do with the whole bike situation. I'm thinking about potentially selling or trading this in, but for what, I don't know. I'm really undecided. That was a really rough shift. Oh, damn, it is so nice out. I'm so glad I went out for a ride. It was like a little chilly, but honestly, it's warmer than it was when I did my last ride last year, so I'll take it. I love it out here. I don't really got much to say, to be honest. I've kind of just been chilling. I haven't really been doing a whole bunch of anything, to be real. I'm just gonna cut this. I took the week off, so been chilling. Just turned 28 on the 6th, so that's cool. I guess I'm 2 years away from 30, and I don't know, life's chill, I guess. Vibing. I've been a lot more appreciative of what I got, and like, I don't know, grateful for the things I have. This week off of work helped, because before that I was just really stressed and pressed. I'm sure I'll be back in the same mind state when I get back to work, but for now we're out chilling. And I mean, as long as the weather stays nice and I can do this every once in a while, oh man, I'll be good. Just getting out on the bike is just, it feels so fucking, it feels amazing. staring at me because I got a cami on my face. I'm about to park behind this truck. This dude's in 2 fucking spots. What the fuck? Yay, this is my little spot. I always park right here every time. But yeah, dude, we're chilling. She's feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm glad I got the ride, to be honest. I mean, fucking go or don't go. Pick one. I'm not stopping. Pedestrians have the right of way. Ran through a stop sign, dumb fuck. Yeah, I'm not rambling. Look at that. The bag's getting use. Still getting use. Not bad for how would I pay for this? Like 30 bucks. Bada boom, bada bing. It's got the keys in there. It's got everything else. We just throw that. Boom. No need for a backpack. I'm glad I didn't bring it. I thought the box might be too big, but I said, fuck it. If it's too big, I'll hold it. Didn't have to. Bop. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. 2166, baby. That's what we're starting the year with. Let's see what we end with. I mapped it out. And, well, one, thanks for all the new subs. I appreciate all y'all. And I was like, maybe I should do like a 500-mile trip for 500 subscribers. No, I mapped it out. That's fucking crazy. That's like a 12-hour ride. That's a ride all the way to Mackinac and then back and all, you know? Which is like kind of crazy to me, because it puts it in perspective how like short of a distance it is. But I don't know, like I thought about the like logistics of it, and it's like I'm not reasonably gonna be going 70 to 80 miles an hour on, I'm not gonna be like on the freeway. Like I can't do that. I can't take the freeway the whole way there. The bike would not be able to handle it. So I'm in a position where it's like I want to do a long ride. I think the bike could do it, but I don't know if I could handle it. Like I don't know if I could handle going slow like the whole time. And I know that I also don't want to have a problem with the bike, right, and like get stranded. I mean, I have AAA and I got the towing, so that if something does happen, I'll be alright. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. That's like a lot of riding. The most I've ever done is probably like 100 miles in a day. Like good like 40-50 miles one way and back. I mean, I do that kind of often, because when I have to drive down to the city, that's already like a 30-mile ride. So I guess like 60 miles a day is an average ride for me. But that just depends if I'm doing something. Like this is kind of more for the purpose of filming a YouTube video and content and all that. And I think it could be really fun, and I want to do it. I just don't know if we're gonna go like that extreme. I'll probably try to do what I was saying last year, and we'll go out to like Bay City. I want to get the passenger seat and then, you know, strap my bike up to the passenger seat. That we can, you know, we can go like backwards for that, and I think that'd be a fun little cruise. Go ride some BMX and have a little bit of a mix of both in the video. Maybe have some friends ride out there as well. Yo, they have a green light, which means we should be able to go. I'm gonna just wait. I don't want to get fucking T-boned. Alright, they still have a green arrow. We're good. Nice. Good little pole. Looks like the light is still flashing for school time, which means we're gonna have to slow it down. I don't want to get a ticket. It's extra money for going super quick during school. Yeah, we gotta slow down to 30. It's all good in the hood, man. There ain't nobody behind me, but on the off chance, I seen somebody pulled over here yesterday, and I was like, damn, man. Don't want that to happen. Been doing good. Been responsibly driving. But yeah, man, we went out to Ray's for my birthday. the mountain bike park, rode BMX the whole time. Obviously I don't have a mountain bike, but overall it was a good time, man. I learned some new shit. I learned how to wall ride out of a quarter. That was fun. Definitely fun. Want to get back out there and or get out to the park around here. There's got some new outdoor parks. There's a new park in Northville. Unfortunately, this dude passed away, and I can't remember his name. I'll throw it up. And they made a skate park for him down there. I don't know if it's skate only, but it'd be cool to go check it out. And the Pontiac's got a new concrete park that's like 10 minutes from here. So yeah, not too bad. There's definitely some like BMX content that I'd like to film on top of the motorcycle and the car stuff that we got going. I've been trying to make some more music. A lot of it lately has just been remix of like RuneScape music for my gaming channel, but just playing around in FL Studio has been nice. I do want to get back into it. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Kind of a short video, but I mean, I wanted to get out and make sure that the audio is working right, and just kind of record the first ride and just get the cobwebs off, get back into it. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one, where I don't know what we'll be doing. It might not even be warm enough to ride the moto anymore.